Hello guys, good evening and welcome to RV. Every startup starts with an idea, solving a problem. In 2007, Drew Houston was really frustrated and he forgot his USB drive and उस समय कोई भी ऐसा सॉल्यूशन नहीं था जहाँ से ड्रू हाउस्टन अपना कोई भी डेटा ऑनलाइन में किसी और डिवाइस पे डिफरेंट डिवाइसेस पे एक्सेस कर सकें. So that time Dropbox was born. Okay, and after that the world is changed forever. How the files is shared. Did you know 42% of the startups fail because there is no market need for their products? The Dropbox idea was really simple. If people can access the files from anywhere, from any PCs, anywhere in the world, and Dropbox की जर्नी was not really easy जैसे कि बाकी स्टार्टअप्स की भी होती है. They also had the ups and downs, and it wasn't just about the idea, it was about the execution. Drew Houston knew that only building a product wasn't going to help his startup to grow, so he thought and tried to build his brand and worked on the branding side as well. So ड्रू हॉस्टन ने बाकी सारी चीज़ों पे भी काम किया, ब्रांडिंग पे, लोगो पे, कलर्स पे, टाइपोग्राफी, एंड ट्राइड टू बिल्ड अ रियली great brand through brand identity. So this is the reason brand identity is really important for any brand, because without it a brand is like without a face. So Drew Houston does his research and made a really great brand. Of course, the road to success is not easy, and Dropbox also faced a really big challenges in the starting period. When Drew Houston joined Y Combinator, they faced a really big competition with the competitor of the same network, the file sharing community. But Drew Houston knew how to grow their brand, so he worked on really simple thing, that is the virality. He started offering the extra storage for their users who refer to their friends, and this idea ने तो गजब ही कर दिया, स्काई रॉकेट कर दिया एकदम, सारी चीज़ें सब ऊपर से तहस नहस करके निकल पड़ी. So this is the idea which lead the Dropbox to become a really good brand. Dropbox idea for branding is really simple. ड्रू हॉस्टन ने बहुत ही बढ़िया काम किया. They made the branding really simple, and उनका एक ही thought था और एक ही aim था, your stuff anywhere, that's it. So कोई भी स्टार्टअप कभी भी स्टार्ट होता है तो it's not the easy thing for them, right? So ups and downs is the part of the journey. So Dropbox also get some starting challenges, even though they had a really great idea as well, but they also had to face the challenges. So in the starting they faced the similar changes जो हर कोई फेस करता है, that is the growth. वो फंस गए, there was not a growth. So after this idea and the strategy, Dropbox didn't rely on this traditional marketing or any other stuff, right? उसके बाद उन्होंने बिल्कुल एक नया स्ट्रेटजी पे काम करना स्टार्ट किया, जिससे उन्होंने अपने ब्रांड को और आगे बढ़ाया. They focused on nurturing their users to be their promoters. Okay, so सबसे बड़ी जो चीज़ उन्होंने हासिल की थी, इन्होंने अपने यूज़र्स को ही अपना मार्केटिंग का ज़रिया बना लिया. Who knows? Your startup could be the next Dropbox. With the right strategy and branding, you can also hit the right goals with the right strategy. Thank you.